Hi there. To ensure your Foxel AI is always up to date, it is a good idea to pull data directly from the insurer portals. This helps to capture the latest changes like increased age-banded plans, updated customer details, policy adjustments, and today, I'll guide you through exporting data from HSBC Life DigiOne Portal and then importing it into Foxel AI. Step 1, you have to log into the HSBC DigiOne Portal. And once you are in, from the top menu, select Inquiry and then choose Policies. By default, it would say here only 100 policy records are shown. If you have more than 100 policies, simply click the Search button to load all available records. The next step, at the top right of these policy listings, click on Download. Read and agree to the terms, and the policy records will be downloaded to your device. All right, now let's upload the policy records into Foxel AI. In Foxel AI, once you've logged in, go to Dashboard. You can expand this if you're not familiar, and click on the first menu item, which is Accounts. Click on the plus Import Policies. Select the downloaded file from HSBC Life DigiOne, and you will see that the system will be retrieving all the data that you're trying to upload, and it will automatically map the necessary attributes for Foxel AI to be recognized. For example, it recognizes that plan description from HSBC instead of all the other fields is the one that refers to policy name in Foxel AI. Click Next to preview the data, and if everything looks correct, simply click Yes to complete the import. And if your data is the most updated that you're uploading, you can simply choose to overwrite the records. I'll click Cancel because I already have the records in the computer, in my data. Now, to view the imported data, navigate to the Clients tab. Use the search bar, and you can find using specific policy records or attributes like policy number or policy name. Right? For example, if I do click HSBC, okay, I can see, okay, there are some policies. All the policies from HSBC are already downloaded here. Maybe I want to see the details of policies belonging to Rebecca Lim and the Life Essential Prime policy from this hypothetical policy holder. You can see here. All right. Along with other policies that you may have uploaded from different insurer portals. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported your HSBC Life DigiOne policy data into Foxel AI. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out, and happy exploring.